Don't ever believe that you're the only one facing problem after problem. It's all a matter of perception and perspective. Other people have been there before or have had it worse. There's light at the end of the tunnel. The path is there. Trust the Almighty in your journey. Do your best always, but don't expect perfect results. Remember, you're human. You're a work in progress. Take ownership of your mistake. Learn from them. Forgive others when they make mistakes too. You'll be a much happier person with a very different outlook towards life. Don't rejoice over the misfortune of others. Remember, the Almighty is the fairest of judges. Let Him repay or punish others for whatever they've done. He's all-seeing, all-knowing. We shouldn't find joy in anybody's sorrow. Surely we wouldn't like it if we were in their shoes. Are you feeling anxious? Wondering what's ahead? Your mind's racing and your heart's beating so fast. You keep asking where all this will lead to? One moment you're panicking, the next, you're calm. The Almighty wants you to trust that no matter what's ahead, He is always with you. It's natural to feel broken if you've been treated badly or been the subject of rumors etc. But remember, some things are not within your control. Turn every anxiety, fear and concern into a supplication. Look at it as another reason to submit to the Almighty. Let Him take over. Gossip is wrong, no matter how you look at it. Spreading malicious rumors will not only hurt the person concerned, but it can actually backfire on the person who originated the inconsiderate falsehood. No one ever benefits from mean and hurtful discussions about other people. Almighty, grant us strength and endurance to go through the tough tests right now. Many are wandering hopelessly. We know giving up is not an option. Keep us steadfast and firm in faith. No matter what's happening, fill our hearts with hope always. We know You have our backs. Some get threatened when other people shine their light on the rest of world. They think that if you shine bright, it somehow gives them less opportunity to find their own success. Remember, the Almighty has given us all a chance to be successful. There is room for all of us. Stop oversharing. Stop telling everything about your life to others. Our constant need for approval from virtual strangers is somewhat problematic. If we refrain from sharing a situation, it doesn't become any less valid or exciting. Rather, it becomes more personal and valuable. No matter what others say about you, keep going. Just close your eyes and remind yourself that the Almighty is watching. Your efforts, your patience etc., He's aware of everything. Look past the struggles, look past the pain. It's not easy, but it will all be worth it in the end.